Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Vscode updated and get installed so extensions and auth work reliably. Once confirmed, open Vscode and sign into GitHub using the Accounts menu. This links your Copilot license. Next, install the GitHub Copilot extension from the Extensions pane and enable it. Make sure to restart Vscode if prompted, because the authentication token needs a fresh session to register and the extension to activate properly. After installation, you authorize Copilot with the GitHub flow. Grant the extension the requested scope so it can provide context-aware suggestions. Once done, open settings and tune inline suggestions, suggestion delay, and file type inclusion so Copilot behaves as you expect. Then create a small test file, a JS or Py script, and type a comment prompt to trigger completions. Observe how context matters. Adjust prompt style and settings to reduce noise and improve relevance. You finish by confirming Copilot is active. Check the status bar and the extension panel for a signed-in badge, then try a real coding task to validate workflow. If suggestions stall, open the output panel, select GitHub Copilot logs, and review errors. Clear extension cache or reload the window to refresh tokens. If issues persist, disable other suggestion extensions or reset Copilot settings. One key tip: reauthorize your GitHub session first. Many problems stem from.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.